Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to unlink your Instagram account from your Facebook account. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. Go to your profile from bottom right corner. Now tap on three bars on top right corner and go to Settings. Now tap on Account. Now tap on Linked Accounts. If you don't see that, tap on Sharing to other apps. And here you will see your Facebook account is connected. Tap on that. And you'll see an Unlink account here. And if you don't see that, tap on Account Center at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on Accounts and Profiles. Now tap on Remove from Account Center and tap Continue. Now tap on Remove your name. And your Instagram account will be unlinked from your Facebook account. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.